Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use what3words in Photo Mapp. Photo Mapp is a great app for producing photo location documents that you can send from your Apple devices. So let's go ahead and get into the app. As you can see, I've already made quite a few sessions, but let's create a new one. To create a new session, click on the camera icon down below. And it takes you to your camera, so you can just go ahead and snap a photo and click Use Photo. And now you can see your 3-word address of your current location along with other details. In my case, my 3-word address is lifted, contracting, upstarts. If you want to add a description, click on Edit. And here you can change all these fields. Let's add a description. And if you want to change all these fields, you can. If not, let's click on Photo 1 and let's click on Session 46. Now you can see your photo on the map. To export, go ahead and click on the icon on your bottom right and choose your file type. In my case, I'll choose PDF. And here are the 5 different styles that they offer. I'm just going to go ahead and go with the first one and click Next. Here you can change all these fields and even add a custom logo if you like. Once everything is good, click on Preview. And here's your photo location document, displaying your 3-word address. If all looks good, click on Export. And now you can choose to either email it or print it out. That's how easy it is to use what3words in Photo Mapp. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.